Happy Juneteenth. And today is my last day or the last Monday for this week's class. Turn this music down. Yes. I made it. I made it to week 8. Amazing. Let me turn this up. I can barely hear myself. There we go. Let me work it out. Work it out. I've been listening to some of my sound playback, and it's been kind of low on my voice, so I'm bumping up my sound just a little bit, and I promise I won't scream in the mic. But like I said, happy Juneteenth, happy Pride Month. Hope everybody is having a great day. This is a quick video just to wrap up the class. Our final grades won't be out till next week, but this weekend I finished up my papers and handed in basically the big assignments. So for this week, we've got 2 discussions, one already done, and the other one I will be working on this tonight. So just want to go back and recap what these classes were about and give an overview. So real quick, my first class that I took was social media marketing strategies. Social media marketing strategies was the class. It says this course will develop the student's ability to effectively and successfully create and implement a social media marketing campaign and evaluate as well as measure its success. I believe that's what happened. I do. Once I got a full understanding of all the elements and pieces of what makes a social media strategy work. Success. So I'm gonna say I'm going to get an A. For those of you who are going to take the class, I'll share my screen. So far I have 650 points. I had 650, so that's an A. My professor has been giving me the rubric feedback. So I still have the 7-1 discussion, 7-2 discussion, which I just handed those in, and then I have this week's discussion. So I still have some calculations, but I believe I have earned a strong A. I'm going to say I've earned a strong A. And, when you're taking these type of courses, it's a lot of discipline. That's just discipline. A lot of reading and more writing, researching, reading and more writing. That's the bottom line. So the other class I had was my strategic storytelling class, and with that, it was the objective is create and deliver communication messages informed by the application of storytelling concepts, analyze how stories are used to meet various communication goals, evaluate cultural representation in various forms of communication messages. In this course, students will examine the role of communication messages as a form of strategic storytelling for entertainment and informational purposes. Done. The one good takeaway I took away from this is really understanding the components of building a story. I read a lot, from just the internet. I'm not really a big book reader. I do listen to a lot of audiobooks. But what I took away from this is I listen now, and when I do read a short story or something on the internet, I can now see how all the pieces fit together. The ethos, pathos, and logos, the structure of beginning, the climax, the conclusion, and one of my favorite things that we talked about was the hero's journey and how each story incorporates the hero's journey. A good example of the hero's journey would be Frodo and the Lord of the Rings. When he finds the ring, or when he gets the ring, he has to take this journey to deliver it. Well, he's in his ordinary world, and then he is taken into the extraordinary world, and Gandalf is his guide. And through there, he goes through all these trials and tribulations. But when he comes out on the other side, he has more understanding about who he is and how all the things fit together. And that's the short version. So anyway, that wraps up my 8-week course. I will be moving forward with other wonderful videos. If you traveled with me on this journey, I want to say thank you. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have more content. It's going to be edutainment, teaching people about all the things that I know. And then hopefully it'll help you either one, get a job, two, entertain you, or three, nothing. That's it. Nothing. All right. My short, I told you it's going to be short. I got to get to work, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little wrap up of my education vlog, and I will see you in a couple of days. All right. Peace.